Assalamu alaikum. I will start in point 7. Now, first thing, how we will solve question number 1. It's so easy. So, first thing that we will find the length, and the second, we are finding these two coordinates. Now, how we will find these coordinates? Let's check. First thing, how we will find midpoint. Let's suppose we have two coordinates. So, we add, as we know that first is x-axis and the other is y-axis. So we add these two x-axis points and divided by 2, then we will get the midpoint. As it is same, we are doing the same thing with other, like 6 plus 12 divided by 2, we will get 9. So these are the midpoint of the two coordinates. We always, whenever we find the midpoint, we also do the same. Second thing, that we are finding the length and the distance between the point. Okay, now as we know that we are now the slope formula, that y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1, as it is same we are doing here, like 12 minus 6 and 9 minus 3. Now we are doing the same thing, we will get the answer 6 and 6. So on the top, as we know that it's a y axis, and the down it's called x axis. So y is this 6 and x is 6. Here y we also give the name that is called perpendicular, and x is base, and this slope should be hypotenuse. So what if we are using the Pythagoras theorem, and we need to find this hypotenuse? So we know that the formula hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base. Hypotenuse, let's suppose we give him a name A, this one y and this one x. So we give what is perpendicular, 6 square, base 6 square, and hypotenuse A square. So 6 squared is 36, 6 squared is 36, and whenever I remove this square, so I will get under root. So my answer is under root 72. That is when I simplify, is taking LCM. So I will get this. So this square cancel under root, this square cancel under root. So I have only 2 multiplied with 3, 6, and under root 2, because it does not have any square. Now, whenever we are finding its answer, it's also equal to 8.49. Now, next question should be, as it is same, you are solving these things, the length and the midpoint of these answers. Question number 3, find the distance from the origin at a point. This means origin to the point, this means origin we have 0 and 0, and other point is minus 3 and minus 5. So let's start. Length or the distance between the point, here is 0, that is origin, and this is another point. When, as you know that whenever we are finding the length, so we are finding slope first. When I find the slope, I will get minus 5 and minus 3. These minus and minus cancel, I will get 5 by 3. By using Pythagoras theorem, I'm just putting these number here like that, as it is same, and I will get under root 34, that is 5 equal to 5.83. Now question number, other r should be the same. He said just which one is closest to the C. So it's sure that B is closer to C. He said which one is further from the origin, means which one is away from 0 and 0 point. So according to this, you just draw these things on the graph and you can easily find this answer. As it is same you are doing. Now question number 7, the midpoint of the line segment joining, when we are joining these two at the point, its answer is, means midpoint is 7 and 5. What is the value of A? Now as you know that he just say A is in the position of y-axis, so I'm just finding the midpoint of y. So A plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 5. So when 2 is going other side, it's a multiply, so 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and here only A plus 3 equal to 10, that is left here. Now when I send this 3 another side, it's equal to 7. So here is my answer. 8, midpoint of the line segment DE, means the answer is minus 4 and 3. As it is same, if the point D of the coordinate is minus 2 and 8, and other is your find. Let's suppose we are giving the name, like one is minus 2 and 8, and other is A and B, that we don't know. When we are solving, we will get this answer. So let's talk about x-axis. X-axis should be like minus 2 plus A divided by 2 equal to minus 4. Means answer should be minus 4. So 2 multiplied by 4, minus 8. And this 2, when you go another side, it's a plus 2. So my answer should be minus 6. For y-axis, I know that first is 8 and other is b. 8 plus b divided by 2 and equal to 3. So when this 2 go another side, it's equal to 6. 6 here is plus 8. When he go another side, it's equal to minus 8. 6 minus 8, that is equal to 2. So I hope you understand. It's easy. So if you didn't understand, kindly just send me a message. I will tell you inshallah. Okay, goodbye.